Imagine that your brain is a piece of flexible dough, which you can stretch every single day now. Forget the old myth that your intelligence is fixed, because science says you can get smarter too. You do not need to be born as a genius scientist if you learn how to use your mind properly now. Let us explore some weird habits that boost your logic while keeping things very fun and easy today. First, you should try sitting in total silence for a bit, which helps your inner genius speak out. Most people are addicted to constant digital noise, but true wisdom grows in the quiet gaps now. When you stop scrolling through your boring phone, your neurons do not ever stop growing at all. Staring at the ceiling is not a waste of time, since it lets your creative thoughts run wild today. Your mind is like a muscle that needs a heavy workout, so do not always look for easy answers now. Try to solve a difficult puzzle before asking for help, because the struggle makes you stronger. If you jump to the solution immediately every time, you are robbing your brain of a big chance. Think of every tough problem as a mental gym session that builds up your logical power quickly. Another great way to grow your brain is teaching, because explaining things makes you a master. If you can explain a complex idea to a small child, you truly understand the core of the topic. Use simple words and funny stories when you speak, so that the information sticks in your head. Teaching others is the fastest path to deep learning, and it also makes you look very cool today. You should also start writing your thoughts on paper, because it helps you see the truth clearly. A messy brain can be fixed with a simple notebook if you write down what you are thinking now. Do not just record facts like a robot in school, but describe how the different ideas connect. Handwriting is much better than typing on a laptop, since it engages more parts of your mind now. Move your body if you want to find a great new idea, because walking is the engine of discovery. Many famous thinkers walked for several miles a day, while they worked on their biggest theories. Exercise sends fresh blood and oxygen to your skull, which acts like a fast charger for your IQ. Sitting still for too long makes your brain go to sleep, so stand up and move around right now. You must also learn things that are totally unrelated if you want to be a flexible, deep thinker. Read a book about space and then study some cooking, so your brain learns to bridge the gaps now. Intelligence is about finding patterns in new places, and variety is the spice of mental life. Do not get stuck in just one narrow field of study, because a broad mind is a powerful weapon. Sleep is the secret weapon of the smartest people alive, so do not stay up late for no reason. During the night, your brain washes away all the junk, while it saves the important lessons too. A tired mind is like a broken computer that runs slow, so give yourself some time to rest now. You do not gain extra points for being always busy if your quality of thought is very low today. Curiosity is a flame that you must keep burning bright by asking why about everything you see. Smart people are just professional question askers who never stop being kids in their hearts. Challenge your own beliefs as often as you possibly can, because being wrong is a gift to grow. Listen more than you speak when you meet someone new, so you can steal their best knowledge now. You are the architect of your own intellectual future, and the tools are these simple habits. Do not compare yourself to a famous genius in a book, but aim to be better than you were before. Your potential is an ocean that has no visible bottom if you keep diving deeper into the dark. Small daily changes will lead to massive results later, so start your mental journey right now. Laugh at your mistakes and keep moving forward today, because a happy brain learns much faster. You have the power to reshape your entire personality, and it all begins with how you think now. Share this secret with your friends and family members, so that everyone can grow smarter too. Believe in the capacity of your mind to change itself, because your will is the ultimate key now. Thank you for watching this video about brain growth, and I hope you feel truly inspired today. Go out and try one of these habits this afternoon, because your new life is waiting for you now. Remember that you are never too old to start learning, so keep your spirit young and curious now.